We've just been awarded 3 new grants in 2013 involving our algal biofuel program. 2 of them from the Department of Energy and 1 of them is from the National Science Foundation. They all involve a number of external collaborators and a large team here at New Mexico State University. What we're trying to do is address the issue of renewable energy that can be produced in a carbon neutral fashion. Now what that means is that we want to be able to use CO2 from the atmosphere, energy from sunlight, to produce a petroleum facsimile, if you will. It's going to look enough like petroleum that we can put it into an existing refinery to make green diesel, gasoline, even jet fuel. So that's the basic challenge. And to do that, we really want to develop a platform that will not only produce algal-based biofuels, but will also work within the natural resource constraints that we have in the desert Southwest. The primary resource constraint that we have, of course, is water. And so when we cultivate algae in open water systems, we think that that's not likely to work in a sustainable way at the scales that are necessary in New Mexico. Even if we use produced water from oil and gas extraction or underground brackish water, it's still going to limit our production capacity because of evaporative water losses in the amount of fresh water that we would need. So we're closing our systems, which will make them heat up, but they'll also make them evaporation proof. And then we're adapting strains that were originally evolving in hot springs that will grow nicely in those enclosed water-sparing cultivation systems that we think can work in the desert Southwest. And then to make it more economically viable, we're trying to tie that process into wastewater treatment that will allow us to make the treatment of municipal wastewater an energy positive and therefore a profitable enterprise.